Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including works like roads, bridges, canals, dams, and buildings and other facilities that are used in our daily life. Civil engineering takes place in the public sector from municipal through to national governments, and in the private sector from individual homeowners through to international companies. Civil engineering is progressing at a fast pace, as are other technologies. Civil engineering has been an aspect of life since the beginnings of human existence. The earliest practices of civil engineering may have commenced between 4000 and 2000 BC in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, that is, ancient Iraq, when humans started to abandon a nomadic existence, thus causing a need for the construction of shelter. During this time, transportation became increasingly important, leading to the development of the wheel and sailing. The first self-proclaimed civil engineer was John Smeaton, who constructed the Eddystone Lighthouse. Civil engineering has a significant role in the life of every human being, though may not truly sense its importance in our daily routine. The function of civil engineering commences with the start of the day when we take a shower, since the water is delivered through a water supply system including a well-designed network of pipes, water treatment plant and other numerous associated services, the network of roads on which we drive while proceeding to school or work, the huge structural bridges we come across, and the tall buildings where we work, all have been designed and constructed by civil engineers. Even the benefits of electricity we use are available to us through the contribution of civil engineers who constructed the towers for the transmission lines. In fact, no sphere of life may be identified that does not include the contribution of civil engineering, thus the importance of civil engineering may be determined according to its usefulness in our daily life. Civil engineers have various job specialization options. You may choose among various disciplines, depending on your personal interest. The main disciplines are structural engineering. Structural engineering involves the design of structures that should be safe for the users, be economical, and accomplish the desired functions. It includes steel structures, buildings, tunnels, highways, dams, and bridges. Construction engineering. Construction engineering involves planning and execution, transportation of materials, site development based on hydraulic, environmental, structural, and geotechnical engineering. Transportation engineering. Transportation engineering is concerned with moving people and goods efficiently, safely, and in a manner conducive to a vibrant community. This involves specifying, designing, constructing, and maintaining transportation infrastructure, which includes streets, canals, highways, rail systems, airports, ports, and mass transit. Geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering deals with soils, rocks, foundations of buildings and bridges, highways, sewers, and underground water systems. Water resources engineering. Water resources engineering concerns with management of quantity and quality of water in the underground and above ground water resources, such as rivers, lakes, and streams. Environmental engineering. Environmental engineering is related to the science of waste management of all types, purification of water, cleaning of contaminated areas, reduction of pollution, and industrial ecology. Coastal engineering. Coastal engineering concerns specific demands posed by constructing at or near the coast, as well as the development of the coast itself. Earthquake engineering. Earthquake engineering involves designing structures to withstand hazardous earthquake exposures. Earthquake engineering is a subdiscipline of structural engineering. Apart from all these subdisciplines, there are many others too. Perks of being civil engineer. Civil engineering is an exciting profession because at the end of the day you can see the results of your work, whether this is a completed bridge, a high-rise building, a subway station, or a hydroelectric dam. Civil engineering graduates can rest assured that the demand for their expertise is constant and even growing. Because of the steady increase in civil engineering jobs in the infrastructure and construction industry in particular, civil engineering is not just a stable job, but a rapidly expanding one as well. The truth is, as long as there are structures and facilities that need to be built or constructed, there will always be a demand for civil engineers. According to statistics released by the U.S. Department of Labor, employment of civil engineers is projected to grow 20% up to 2022, faster than the average for all occupations. As infrastructure continues to age, civil engineers will be needed to manage projects to rebuild bridges, repair roads, and upgrade levels and dams.